Our vision is to provide one single battery for all applications in and around the home. Therefore, we opened last year our 18-volt battery platform to our partners and brought the Power for All Alliance to life. It has been an exciting year where many things have happened, not only for us but also for our partners. Gardena, Gloria, BSH, Wagner, Rapid. We extended our application variety by adding 30 new 18-volt products to the market. Overall, more than 20 million batteries are now in the hands of our users. After announcing the Power for All Alliance, we started a big media campaign together with our partner Gardena to get the full attention for the Power for All Alliance, bringing the message of maximum versatility and flexibility to the user. Also, our partners put a lot of effort and passion into making the Power for All Alliance a great success. Per, last year you called the Power for All Alliance a real game changer. So what has happened at Gardena over the past 12 months?
Indeed, it's been a game changer in many different ways for our customers and for us. Now we both have a large battery ecosystem to build on. It's of course also been a very busy year, especially for our engineers, for our supply chain and our marketeers. The passionate gardeners can mow and trim their lawns, they can cut their hedges and trees, they can blow leaves and they can pump water, and they can do that with one battery for their home. This is yet another example of how we try to help the passionate gardeners realize their gardening dreams. Now let's hear from the other partners how they have experienced their first year in the Power for All Alliance.
Thanks, Per. All users can now not only use the existing products like our multi-jet outdoor cleaner and our well-known multi-brush system. We have extended the application variety of the Power for All Alliance and offer a brand new cordless spraying compressor for optimal plant care. With an outstanding TV commercial, we communicate the versatility of our products in the 18-volt battery system. We broadcast it in Germany and in France on all major TV stations. And we don't stop here. We work hard on new fascinating products that we will introduce next year.
Also, BSH is taking big steps towards more convenience for our consumers. This year in September we are launching the new generation of our Unlimited Series 8, and that will come with one important benefit beyond other benefits. It will come with a new 4 amp-hour battery from our Alliance.
The Power for All Alliance created a lot of winners, and we will go on to make it more successful.
We continuously work for more products to come, so stay tuned for additional innovations from BSH.
Our focus now is to promote the Power for All Alliance and all its benefits.
So there is plenty of things going on, but that is not enough. I am very proud to announce 2 new brands joining the Power for All Alliance. Let's see who it is.
Steinel is the market leader for hot air blowers and hot glue guns. No matter what the job, we have the right tool for you. Our new series of battery-powered glue guns opens a new horizon for your customers. You can work anywhere without a power cord in your way. Steinel utilizes the powerful 18-volt Power for All. Sharing one battery with many renowned brands creates a sustainable technology platform. Being part of that platform allows our customers to power their tools across a wide variety of products and applications. It is the perfect system. The Glue Mobile 3011 cordless hot glue gun can be used anywhere for countless tasks. In your home, in your workshop, or even in your garden. Hot melt glue has many great advantages. The glue gun heats up in no time. The glue is easy to apply and dries very quickly. You'll love working with it. We're excited to announce that additional new Steinel products will follow using the Power for All batteries.
Thanks so much. What a great and exciting moment for Flymo to now be part of the big Power for All Alliance family. As inventor of the world-famous hover mower, we are continuously driving innovation. With 10 launch products across our lawn, tree and hedge, plus clean and tidy gardening categories, we offer a comprehensive range of tools which are always easy to use. For us, being part of the Power for All Alliance is the next consequent step towards even more flexibility for our users with the battery in and around the home. Power
for
All.